What's up guys, in this video I will show you my favorite exchange that I use especially when I do my futures trading. I'm not a professional advisor, but let's get it on. Alright guys, so this is MEXC's landing page. Link will be in the description of the video, and as you can see here guys, for their July futures competition they have a total prize pool of a whopping 5 million USDT. So you can go ahead and check them out. And of course, do your own research. This is by far one of the best central exchanges out there. As you can see, lowest fees, highest profit. So 0% spot maker and taker fees, and then 0% futures maker fee, and then 0.01% taker fee. So it has the lowest fees in the market today. And the maximum leverage that you could select is at 200x. Also guys, one of the best things that I like about MEXC is that they do not require a lot of documentation to start with. And the level 1 KYC is that you only need to verify your email address and phone number, and that's it. As for other exchanges, they will require you IDs and all those other stuff that you need to provide before you could even start depositing and doing transactions in their website. So for MEXC, it's otherwise. No need for those documentation. Just provide the email and the phone number. Also guys, MEXC is the #1 exchange for the first time listings for tokens. So this is basically, there are a lot of altcoins also that you could select here at MEXC. Let me go ahead and show you that real quick. See, in the spot trading guys, there's a ton of tokens that you could choose from. See, you have 34 pages of tokens that you could choose from in the spot. And then for futures guys, they also have a ton of tokens that you could choose from. All right, because I understand, I mean, for people like me, I like to trade the Matic, right? So the Polygon Matic token. Let's see this real quick here. So this is normally I use for my futures exchange, and I will show that to you later on. I will make an actual futures trade that you could see here because I have $200. Let me zoom that. I have $200 and change that in my futures account that I could use when doing the futures trading later on. Alright guys, so let me go ahead and do an actual futures trade. And again guys, before you do futures trading, make sure that you know how to read the charts, do technical analysis. But for this round guys, I just really want to show you how futures trading looks like in MEXC. So you have the time here. Okay, so 1 minute, 5 minutes, 15 minutes, 1 hour, 4 hours, 1 day. You can also click on the drop down to choose whatever timeline you would like to see in the charts. All right, for this one, I'm gonna check out the 4-hour timeline. All right, so you have the pumps and the dumps. So let me go ahead and see. So we are here. All right, so this is the support right now. Hopefully, I mean, for the past couple of days, Bitcoin is not doing a really good job. But right now, 7.6, for those that are new with futures trading or leverage trading, guys, when you open long, you earn when the token price goes up, okay? When you open short, you earn when the token price goes down. All right, so I just like to make that clear. So let me go ahead and so this is the leverage guys. All right, so isolated and then cross. You can go ahead and do your own research on that one, and then go ahead and check out the channel. We created different tutorials out there that you would be, you would benefit from in terms of learning how to make your trades, or the leverage trade, or the futures trading. All right, so you have the market here, you have the limit. Okay, you could set that. You could set whatever limit you would like. That way, when it goes or when it strikes that amount, you would be able to open long or open short. But for this one, let's go ahead and do the market trade. All right, so we are going to put the entire 200. All right. Okay, and again, guys, okay, do not try this at home. All right, make sure to learn how to do your technical analysis before you even start trading in futures. All right, so let's go ahead and do 100 for this one. All right, so 100x. Then we are, so it's at 7626. Let's do open long. And then you have the long take profit and stop loss. So normally we put all those information out there, and there are a lot of different, like, groups, signal groups that are giving signals on when to enter and then when to get out or take profit. So for this one, let's just go ahead and do open long and then fire away. It's going to tell us that when the price goes .758, we get liquidated, meaning the funds will be depleted. All right, so let's go ahead and click on confirm. All right, so let's see. You would be able to see here down below. All right, let me go ahead and zoom that a little bit. You would be able to see how much percent you have the unrealized profit and loss already. So like that one, minus 1.29. So not until you close or flash close, meaning you close this order out, you would get profit or you would lose profit on that trade. Okay, so when we click on flash close, guys, again, it will exit. All right, you will see all the details there. Isolated 100x, estimated PNL 0.1509. So when you click on confirm, it will exit that one out, and then it shows here that the available USDT that we have there was deducted right around like 0.2 or something. Let's do Bitcoin this time around. Okay, so for Bitcoin, we have, all right, let's just have it load. This one moves a lot faster than the other coins. So for this one, we are at 29,830.8 the meantime. All right, so let's go ahead and in this one, so 100%, and then do 200x. We are going to open short. All right, so let's go ahead and click on confirm, and it will enter that trade. Okay, so again, we could see here down below, see, if the price goes down, you earn profit because we did open short. So right now we are at $1.37 or 1.24%. We are earning $2 already for that trade. So let's go ahead and just wait up a little bit and see if we could get, like, let's give it a minute or so. All right, it goes higher. So price when we entered became higher, and that's why we're losing in the trade currently. But again, not until you exit out of that trade, that's the only time that you lose something. But if you're still in there, you haven't lost anything yet. And that is the meaning of unrealized P&L. So the higher leverage, guys, the faster you would earn, the faster you would also lose. So be very, very careful, guys, when doing your futures trading and when selecting the leverage for the trades that you are making. All right, so right now we are at minus 2.1%, and it's already minus 4.1 US dollars from the funds or the future funds that we entered. And also, guys, I would like to show you this one right here. So deposit and trade to earn $9,100. So that is the exclusive new user deposit campaign for Crypto Trend. And the event will last for 28 days from the recording of this video. So go ahead and check them out. There are a lot of information here that you could check out, and it will be very helpful for you, especially for the ones that does a lot of trading, especially in futures or spot. Go ahead and check out MEXC and take advantage of this one. So if you are new to the channel, guys, I hope you would consider clicking that like, that subscribe, and click that bell. That will always be notified when we upload new videos in the future. I will see you on the next. I'm out. Peace.